In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects in Photoshop. So what you want to do is, of course, have an image inside Photoshop where you have an object you would like to remove and not want to be there anymore. And then you want to zoom in on that object so we can see it clearly. Let's say you want to get rid of this ship over here. You want to go to here, where is the lasso tool, okay? And you want to draw kind of around the ship or around the object, but not really very specifically, okay? Leave some background in there. And you want to draw around it. There we go. And then once you've done that, you want to go up here to edit. And then you want to go over here where it says content aware fill. Now, if it's grayed out for you, you want to click on the layer and make sure the layer is selected over here. And then come back. And as you can see, content aware fill is now available, okay? And now what you want to do is click on this. And then as you can see over here, there's kind of a preview of what this will look like. And as you can see, it's pretty good, okay? And now if it's not, you can also deselect some parts of the image and see how it adjusts here on the right. And let's say I'm happy with how things are looking, let's say right now, okay? And then you want to click OK. And that's it. As you can see, a new layer was created over the original layer, which kind of removed it by kind of adding in a specific piece of background that fits in instead of the ship, okay? And then that's how you do it. Let's say I want to get rid of this cloud over here, this big cloud. Again, I'm going to draw around it, just briefly around it, connect it, there we go. And then edit, content aware fill. And then yet again, oh, excuse me, I selected the wrong layer. You want to have the layer selected where you want to remove the thing. Go back to edit, content aware fill. And there we go. As you can see, if I press OK, the cloud has been now removed. Now, that's basically how you do it. If you want a more precise removal of objects though, you may want to get the generative fill inside Photoshop, which is basically a monthly subscription inside Photoshop. You can get it by Googling Adobe Firefly, and there's all the information you need over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it.